In this video, I am going to introduce you to yet another generative AI tool called as AI Fitness Planner. One of the good thing about this fitness planner is that in order to use it and try it out, you don't have to put in your credit card information. That plus there are some really good features around this tool too. For example, it is just all in one app in one place where you can do your diet planning, your personalized meal planning, expert designed workouts, and also a fat finder to target your goals. That plus you can, when you're doing the workout planning, you can customize your fitness routine with their versatile workout planner. Also, you can access a curated list of exercises that align with your goals and seamlessly integrate fitness into your daily life. Also, you can fuel your workout with tailored meal suggestions, and their app offers balanced recipes that cater to your unique nutritional requirements, making healthy eating effortless. They also have a very interesting tool called as Fat Finder where you'll get insights into your body composition, and then you can target specific areas with strategies for fat loss and muscle gain for a toned and healthy body. Also, the pricing is quite simple, which I'll show you shortly. Let's first check it out how this thing works. So let's click on get started for free, and it is asking us to log in with our email address or maybe just send a magic link. Maybe I'll just go with the magic link. So I clicked on magic link and it sent a link to my email address, and which I clicked and I logged in automatically. I think this is fairly easy and nice, so really good stuff. Okay, so now we can do our workout planner. So, and it says that start by choosing your fitness level, then select the days you'll hit the gym, and then your planner will be there. So let's see, I just want to go maybe on the weekend 2 days per week. Training duration, I think 30 is more than enough for me. Beginner is fine. Injury, no injury. And workout split. So what exactly that means? It means upper, lower, classic, body part, maybe classic body part. Access to equipment, body weight, what exactly is there? I'll just say basic. And now let's plan the workout. Let's wait for it to come back. Okay, so let's scroll down. So because I just selected 2 days, so it has given me 2 days. So 3 sets of 8 reps push-ups, then some dumbbells, bent over dumbbell rows and all that stuff, and then some of the lunges and calf raises and glute bridges. So which is quite good. Seems like it is simply sending my prompt to ChatGPT on the back end. Anyway, sounds great. Good sort of simple interface. And let's now click on meal planner. And in the meal planner, so here you can specify your macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, fats, etc. Meal type, what exactly you want to eat, and then is there any dietary requirements like vegan or gluten free, and then there could be a lot of choices here anyway. And maybe they should also put in some kosher and halal and that sort of stuff anyway. So I'm not going to maybe I'll just say something like 90 per fat. Let's increase this. Let's also decrease this, and I'll just say maybe dinner. And no, that let's generate the meal, see what exactly it does with 90 grams of fat. Let's wait for it to come back. So it has generated my meal plan. Now the meal plan is keto avocado chicken salad. Okay, so and then it not only it has given us what exactly to eat, but also how to make it and what sort of tools are needed in the kitchen. Okay, nice. And then this is all there is. Sounds good to me. Anyway, let we already have done workout planner. Let's check out what fat finder is. Okay, for fat finder, it seems we would have to pay something. Okay, because I already have generated one workout plan and just one meal recipe. Okay, so for fat finder I would have to use some of this paid account. That is fine. So pricing is already there, calculators, and then we can check our BMI here, which is sort of body mass index, and then we can specify something here. Maybe I'll just go with calculate here. So your body mass index is this, which is normal, and then there are a few steps here which you can follow along. And then this is where you can see what sort of body masses correspond to what sort of category, but then these vary from uh, system to system, so I'm not going to go into that detail. But anyway, quite a good simple tool, but still seems like quite valuable, especially when you can just try it out and play around for free. So this is it, guys, and I also have done few other videos on similar tools, so please check them out too and see which one suits your need if you are really looking for any AI fitness companion. And I hope that you like the content. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you are already subscribed, please share the channel among your network. Thank you very much.